work. With the Novus exhaust, you'll get that classic E36 tone, deep and aggressive. Excellent, that's exactly what I'm looking for. Let's do it.
So we have this fine specimen of rear silencer muffler from Novus for E36 M43. You can see it's quite used. Got this off my buddies because he switched to a Bustock stainless steel, which obviously this one isn't. So I basically got it for free, and I'm gonna see if I can bring it back to life, make it look a little bit more pretty. I may use it on my car, not sure yet. I mean, it's not rusted through, it just has surface rust. Yeah, let's see if we can bring this back to life. I mean, this thing is only like 3 years old, but yeah, this is what happened. So I knew now, even if you want to buy one, Novus brand, they're like 300 euros, so worthwhile to kind of spruce it up. I cleaned it up, just the surface rust off where I can see it's rusty. And yeah, it's as far as I'm gonna take it. I'm just gonna apply some rust converter now on this, especially the spots where it was a little bit rusty, and then just paint the thing, and it's basically good to go. So this is how it looks now. Applied the rust converter with the brush everywhere, let it soak in, percolate, and then, I don't know, 1 or 2 hours, come back and should probably wash it off with water. I have the pipe all grayish color, it looks pretty nice, and now I'm gonna hit it with black, the main body. Okay, that's looking pretty good, pretty spiffy compared to what it was before. 100% better, I would say. Okay, just let me finish it up. Okay, where am I up to now? I got a free exhaust, basic for free, a Novus exhaust that I, for my buddy, he switched to a Bustock, and I'm gonna see if I can fit it here. At the moment I have this Imazaf. It's a mild, sporty sound, but I want to see what it sounds with the other one. So the plan is today just swap out the exhausts. Should be a piece of cake, right? Yeah. Not really too much to film here, just to remove the exhaust, but yeah, I'm just gonna film along. I mean, there's not gonna be too much talking here. Shown this many times on the channel. Remove the top mounts. This one's a little bit tight. Cracking them loose for now. You see how these guys up front look. Routine. Yeah. seems to be okay. I don't even know why I'm doing this. Just leave my cars alone in this drive, but something is always itching me to modify or test something new. I don't know, maybe you can relate. Yeah. Crust. Yeah, rust is the enemy of ours. That's the main enemy. I mean, I did put this exhaust in like 3 years ago, and it's already shows signs of corrosion. Man, this nut here is like pain. Come on. I mean, it still looks okay, it's just continue on the back ones now. You know what? I'm taking my impact for this. Okay, this one wasn't filming anything, so the exhaust is out. That's the old one. 3 years in, already corrosion, but to be expected. And this is the refreshed Novus from my friend's car, which I spruced up and now I'm going to put on mine. I don't know. Here the mounts are just basically held by these hinges. And here I actually have to find some bolts. I mean, the orientation seems somewhat similar. We'll have to see how it looks underneath. Suppose let's test fit this bad boy. See where we line up. I'm sure we have to do some tweaking. It's never gonna go easy. Scheiße. Okay. So much fun. That fits. Let's see where we're gonna end up. Actually, that looks pretty good, to be honest. I mean, definitely have to go the upper hole. Yeah, not the lower one. But yeah, I mean, this is really a two-people job, but this doesn't look too bad. This could actually line up just like that. Okay. And how does this one look? Oh man, why am I doing this to myself? Yeah, okay. That doesn't could fit. Let me see if I can get a bolt in here. While I'm already here, I don't need to take it down again. It fits. Fits. Okay, that's in. Yeah, I know I cannot see anything, but this one I get the. I mean, okay. You can see here, this one I put the bolt in, and now this side also. But I mean, it looks pretty good. No clue if this one's gonna leak. I just left it alone, but the hanger is in. How does... Now let me get the bolt started and then we'll go from there. You're not going to see much here because it's all dark. Oh, man, this sucks. So I got this thing trimmed. It's good enough for me. It's all broken for the hitch, so let's just complete it and we're good to go. I didn't feel like buying a new one just to cut it up, so actually I could have probably gone a little bit more right. A little bit. I mean, it's not perfectly centered. I mean, it doesn't hit anywhere. There's enough space. I don't know, maybe I can see if I can adjust the muffler a little bit. Okay, that job is finished. Weirdly enough, the one Sporty is a little bit quieter than the replacement one I got before. But, I mean, this was some kind of sport muffler. It says HP. I don't know. I took this out now. This one is actually a bit more quiet, which is fine, but I do like the visual with the dual tips better. I cut out the bottom trim piece. Yeah, it's not perfect, but this thing is cut up anyways due to the hitch, so centered, and I think it looks pretty nice compared to the one pipe. So that's it for that. I'll just hang on to this, clean it up. I don't know, always good to have one in stock replacement. Yeah, so that's it for this tuning session.